you think about Russia? I love Russia because I was born in this country and I have so many relatives in Russia, and I think that many many people of our group have so much friends or relatives in Russia. And the second question, should Russia have a relationship with Ukraine? Of course, Russia and Ukraine should have relationship because we are neighbors and we have similar tradition and we have common interests in economical, political, and we speak the same language. That's all.
I have one question. What is the most influential person in your life? I think the most influential person in our lives are our parents because they take care of us, they help us with our problems, they are close with us all our life. Our persons love us more than any other people.
Hello. So my question is, what are places of interest in your city? So I'd like to tell you about city of Stehano. Um, we have a lot of places of interest. For example, we have 3 statues of Lenin. We have music school and a lot of schools and nursery schools. We have 4 educational establishments, such like medical college, technical college, engineering university, and my own pedagogical university. You know, the dogs on our streets are the best because they are pretty, the most pretty in the world. We have a historical museum, a work in fountains at the square. City of Stakhanov is the most wonderful city because our park is the best park in Lugansk region. You know, if you look at our palace of culture from the sky, it resembles a plane. And we have large stadiums for match and several football fields for practice. I can watch football matches from my window, and it is instead of sport channel on TV. So, did you know our city was named after a famous miner Alexei Stakhanov? His name is Alexei Stakhanov, and he is a legend in our city and in all Donbass region. It is said that he mined more coal single-handedly than any other person. He broke his own record twice, and he is our local hero, and we are proud to live in his city. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anne, and my question is, what is something unique about our region? We live in Donbass and we are proud of our coal mines. We have a big industry of coal. There are many industries and factories in our land. We speak mainly Russian and celebrate Russian festivals like Maslenitsa. There are many people of different nationalities in our region. Thank you.
Hello. Our question is, who is the most famous person we want to meet?
My favorite famous person is Leonardo DiCaprio. He is he is a beautiful, nice and courageous man. He took place in different films like Titanic. I watch his films with pleasure, and I would like to meet him someday.
As for me, I want to see the famous actor Jensen Ackles. He acts in a series Supernatural. To my mind, he is a very talented and beautiful man. He has a fantastic smile, and I think that he is a dream of many girls and women.
Hello. We have one question. What are our favorite films? We like to watch many films, but our favorite films are Titanic, Pirates of Caribbean, Step Up, Twilight, Remember Me, all Russian comedies, Wedding in Greece, Killers, Lie to Me.
I like to watch many films, but my favorites are Hachiko, Dear John, and Russian films. Once is Las Vegas, Remember Me, and I Give You My Heart.
Bye.